Hello there! So in this short video I'm going to help you understand how to build audiences by using Omniconvert. This is fantastic because it will empower you to do campaigns on autopilot which are really relevant now that the cookies are gone. So let's dive right in. From the dashboard we go to the Audience Builder tab, and here we have all these selectors, right? So one way to build audiences is based on the time period. If we look at the info box over here, these are going to be automatically updated based on how many days have passed since the last purchase from a specific customer. So if we select here last 7 days, voila, we have these customers. If we select last 30 days, these are going to be the customers which can be included in this audience. What can you do with this audience? You can treat those customers differently, knowing that they have just bought recently from your store. But if you want to build an audience which is made of customers that bought in the last 30 days, so recent buyers that also have a certain value, you can select soulmates and lovers over here, for instance, or new passions, which are the best customers that you have. So these would be customers that bought in the last 30 days that have a specific lifetime value. So that's how you mix those type of audiences. Another way to use the audience builder is for specific audiences, right? Soulmates, disregarding their last purchase, so disregarding the fact that they've bought in the last 7 days or not. So mainly that's how you build the audiences. Once you select the audience, let's say you made this selection, right? So let's put in here, because this is a dummy data account, of course. After we select the audience, let's say customers that bought in the last 90 days, we can build it. So we name that audience last 90 days customers, and we save this audience, and after that, voila, we can see it over here. So if we scroll down, we can see it over here, and this can be synchronized or not, right? At this moment, we have the integrations ready with Facebook and Instagram, Google Ads and Klaviyo coming soon. However, you can build audiences based on the RFM segments directly with the Klaviyo integration, which is already live. So there you go. You can build audiences based on their NPS scores, based on the brands that they've bought, based on the products, and based on the location, right? So we can build audiences based on the locations and or based on the category. If you're within the EU and you have this marketing consent, make sure that you tick this box over here, right? So that's how you actually build audiences with the audience builder. If you want to make use of it and learn what kind of campaigns to run with the audience builder, make sure that you watch the other tutorial that we have prepared for you. And if you want to get in touch with our support team, here we are. We are here to help you make progress with your shop.